It is my kitchen reset. Long time no kitchen reset. On this very day, I decided to take out my time to clean up my kitchen after 1 month. Yes, I cleaned it last month. But you see why I'm doing this particular video is because of this my cabinet. Inside this my cabinet where I put all my ingredients. In fact, woman now, sometimes I'll go to the market, I will buy things forgetting that I have some of them at home. Because I'm a market woman, every day I go to the market, so I buy new things almost every day. So I decided to clean it up, buy this but plastic. I'll be putting all the sachet ones. You see those sachets, thyme, curry, all those things, all those spices. They are the ones that make all this kitchen to be dirty the most, because you have to take them every time, cut out of it, and you throw it back there. Next time you go to the market and buy new ones, forgetting that you have those things at home. That's why I take out my time as the mother of the house and did this clean up. And after I did it, it was as if my body was relieved of something. When you pack all the dirties out of your house, your body will be relieved. So this is where I put all my ingredients: my pepper, my curry, my thyme, and my jollof rice spices. I put them there. You see how beautiful it looks? Not packing all those nylon and be filling up there. I'm still buying more, and I tried to buy this color because there is blue, there is green, there is other color, but this particular color matches my cabinet. You can see the dark carton that I just showed now is where I pack all the nylon I remove from this my cabinet. In fact, my kitchen feel relief as well. I arrange the clothes, the plate that my daughter washed. This nice put plate there, I remove it and wash it. I do everything. So this my, I don't know, my grater, or what will I call it, that thing, I don't know why it just spoil. You never even reach 1 year why I buy them, thing just spoil. In fact, it pain me, but no problem. This is me going to this side. This particular side of my cabinet is where I put most things I don't use almost every time. Like you can see some plates, that's plate, I've not used those plates before, just pack them there. So these are my cups, everything is there. So guys, this is me. I was so happy. I was so happy everything I did for the day. How many times do you clean your kitchen in a month or in a week? Let's learn. We keep learning every day. So after everything, this is my assistant. I gave him juice because this boy, he also did some work, because anything that fall on the ground, I'll tell him to pick it up for me. So this is me sweeping and sweeping. Zoom it, my kitchen plate, everything is set. Thank you for watching. I was so exhausted. Let's go and rest.